Plugging in the adapter into a standard household outlet. Long press this for twos to turn KL6 on, off. If the display is blank after plugging in, please scroll the switch brighten the display. Press this to select hour, minute, 12H and 24H. Press this to confirm the selected setting. Press this to select hour, minute, ringtone volume. Press this to confirm the alarm setting. Short press this to turn on the sounds. Short press this to choose the sleep sounds. Short press this or this to adjust the volume. Long press or choose this to turn off the sounds. Press this to turn on. Press this to cycle through colors. Long press this for twos to turn off. When the sound machine or night light is on, press this to preset duration to auto turn off the sound machine or night light. View remaining duration, press this during the timing process. Turn on, press this. When this flashes, search and select KL6 from the device list to connect. Press this or this to adjust volume. Press this to play or pause. To turn OFF speaker long, press this. Simultaneously hold these for 3.5 seconds to restore factory settings.